Here's how you can make Spider-Man. Miles Morales. Anyway, we gotta do this fast. Bro! We gotta do this fast, because my whole tablet is gonna die, so real hair. 300 and 455. Shirt 34. Glasses 1100 and 259. Sleeves 900 and 274. Pants 1000 and 449. 39. Shoe 1000 and 511. Face AC 1100 and 434. Gloves 7. Socks 12. Yep, you are finished. Oh, yep, nope, not finished yet. Scarf 200 and 409.93. And yes, you are finished now. Here's the color for scarf. Hair, face, color 2 for face. Outline and color 2 for glasses are the same. That is the same color, different color for different color pants. This is just the outline of him. And yep, that's all.